Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Tigda Patnagar. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Also, Happy New Year everyone. So finally 2020 is here and let's see how it goes. Let's hope all our wishes will come true and you will have a great year. As you all know from the title of this video that in this video I'm going to show you my favorites in 2019, my favorites as in food places or you can say food items that I had in 2019. So if you want to know my favorite places in 2019, so please keep on watching and let's get started. So these places are not in a particular order. So my first place is Om Corner in Karol Bagh for chole bhatures. They serve the best chole bhature, I must say, and their bhatura is like non-oily. In details I will insert a video clip, you can also watch that. And उनके भटूरे में बिल्कुल ऑयल नहीं था. Trust me guys, उनके भटूरे मतलब एकदम ऐसे लगा था जैसे बेक करे हुए हो, but they were not baked. And उनके जो छोले थे वो इतने ज़्यादा मसालेदार और एकदम यम थे. So my next favorite place is Sindhi Corner for their heart-shaped aloo tikkis, and it is also in Karol Bagh, and they serve heart-shaped aloo tikkis, and the tikki is so soft and crispy from outside and soft from inside, and it tastes amazing with their chutney, with the pyaz and like green chutney, and they are like amazing. And here is the clip.
हाँ की जो आलू टिक्की है वो एक हार्ट शेप की होती है और ये बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है. तो चलिए ट्राई करके देखते हैं एक बार. ये चटनी के साथ सर्व होते हैं, चटनी और प्याज. टिक्की बहुत ज़्यादा क्रिस्पी है और जो चटनी है उसके अंदर बहुत अच्छा टेस्ट है.
So my third favorite place is Chicken Bite in Karkaduma, that is in Kevinters Market, and I had their shomas roll. They are amazing and the chicken is so juicy and tender. It is cooked perfectly, कुछ भी कच्चा वच्चा नहीं होता वहाँ पे, और जो spices वगैरह होते हैं वो इतने tasty होते हैं, like I can have it all day. मेयोनीज और चटनी के साथ मिलता है. So my fourth place is Kulcha Junction in Connaught Place, that is near Bangla Sahib Gurudwara. It serves one of the best Amritsari kulchas in town, that means in Delhi. The Amritsari kulcha from Kulcha Junction is so yum and so tasty, like you will end up having more and more. इसके अंदर छोले और प्याज की चटनी मिलती है. ये कुलचा बहुत क्रिस्पी है और इसके अंदर जो स्टफिंग है वो आलू, प्याज, अदरक और अजवाइन, ज़ीरा इन सब की है और उसका फ्लेवर बहुत ही अच्छा है. तो मैं फिफ्थ फेवरेट place is Sarvana Bhavan, that is in Ginnaut Place again, and it serves the best South Indian food. Trust me, you will get the best South Indian food in Delhi. It is from Sarvana Bhavan, and their dosa, their dahi vada is like to die for. Yeah, like amazing.
मैंने यहाँ पे ऑर्डर करा है मसाला डोसा, और मसाला डोसे के साथ हमें मिलता है प्योर कोकोनट चटनी, कोरिएंडर एंड कोकोनट चटनी, टोमेटो एंड अनियन चटनी और सांभर। और आप देख सकते हैं कि कितना क्रिस्प है, बाहर से ये बहुत अच्छे से क्रिस्प है और अंदर एकदम सॉफ्ट है। और इसकी जो आलू की स्टफिंग है वो बहुत ही टेस्टी है, ना ज़्यादा स्पाइसी है और एकदम मीडियम स्पाइसेस हैं। It is so tasty and delicious. This is the perfect breakfast for me. So let me enjoy it.
Next favorite place is Dolmanti ki momos. They are the cheapest and the yummiest momos in Delhi, and they have my heart. Deeply have my heart. मैं पूरे दिन मोमोज खा सकती हूँ, मैं लंच डिनर ब्रेकफास्ट में तीनों बार मोमोज खा सकती हूँ। आई एम डाई हार्ड फैन ऑफ मोमोज, एंड डॉलमांटी के मोमोज बहुत ज़्यादा टेस्टी होते हैं और दे आर लाइक नॉट वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, दे आर लाइक चीप।
तो फाइनली मैंने हाफ प्लेट मोमोज ले लिए, 20 रुपीज़ के हैं, हाफ वेज मोमोज। So yum. बहुत टेस्टी है। 20 रुपीज़ में ऐसे मोमोज।
So my seventh favorite place is Rajasthan Mishtan Bhandar, that is in Gwalior, and it is also in Bhopal and like other states, and it serves the best pyasi kachori. It's like yum.
हम आए हैं यहाँ पे श्री जोधपुर मिष्ठान भंडार पे, ये शॉप है और यहाँ की प्याज की कचौड़ी बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है। और इसके अंदर हमें चटनी और सॉल्ट डाल के मिलती है, तो मैं इसको ट्राई करके बताती हूँ। लगा था कि जो प्याज की कचौड़ी थोड़ी स्पाइसी होगी, बट ये बिल्कुल भी स्पाइसी नहीं है और खस्ता है एकदम, और बहुत अच्छी है, आपको ज़रूर ट्राई करनी चाहिए।
So my eighth favorite place is Ambarsar, that is in Model Town and as well as in Shalimar Bagh, and it serves the best North Indian and Amritsari kulchas in Delhi. I must say that it is not that much popular place, but serves the best North Indian food. इस जगह का कढ़ाई पनीर, दाल मखनी, garlic naan के साथ is like the best combination.
तो यहाँ पे है कढ़ाई पनीर, दाल मखनी पे बटर देखिए, और मिर्ची पराठा, गार्लिक नान और लच्छा पराठा। तो अब मैं सब ट्राई करके बताती हूँ कैसा है। लच्छा पराठा ये बहुत क्रिस्पी है। बहुत टेस्टी है।
So my ninth favorite place is Echoes, that is in GTB Nagar, that is its name, and it is also in Satya Niketan. Echoes serves the best tandoori momos, I must say, and their non-vegetarian platter is like to die for. Also their appetizers and starters thing are yummy.
Tandoori momos were so good. They literally have my heart. If you are a non-vegetarian lover, then this is the platter for you.
So our 10th favorite place is Yeti, and it is in CP, and as well as it is in Hoskas village, the Himalayan kitchen, and it serves the best Himalayan cuisine, and their momos are so juicy and so yum. Like, as you know, I'm a momo lover, so they have the best momos, I must say. Also, their viral noodles are amazing.
The momos look so satisfying and so tasty, and the best part is that they were so juicy and they were the best momos I have ever eaten. So here is our YY. It was just normal YY noodles with some veggies and some masala, and it was pretty nice.
Last but not the least, my favorite place is Baked Book, that is in Karkaduma in East Delhi, and I am from East Delhi, so I frequently go to this place, and they serve the best Dutch pancakes with Nutella and different toppings, and they are just soft and so fresh pancakes. So they serve cold coffees, cappuccinos. They have the best, and their cakes are also amazing. These were the places that are my personal favorite from 2019. पूरे साल में मैंने इन जगहों से बहुत ज़्यादा खाया है. So that's why these are my favorites. And let's hope 2020 में हम कुछ और नया try करेंगे. So you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are in the description box below. You can check over there. I post a lot of photos and videos of food items and my favorite places where I go. That's it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a huge fat thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel. Do comment down below your suggestions, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.